about Dr. E.K.T. Sivakumar, a global man who gives science to the society. Success doesn't come easily. In order to achieve success, one needs strength of mind and body, perseverance and the right attitude. Many of us feel that luck plays an important part in success. It's true to a certain extent. As Henry Ford says, the harder you work, the luckier you get. Dr. E.K.T. Sivakumar is a true example for Henry Ford's words. Having his humble beginnings in Podaturpet, a small hamlet near Tirutani, E.K.T. Sivakumar grew up to be a renowned scientist, a responsible journalist, and an active philanthropist for the causes that he believed in. With hard work and resilience, he kept advancing towards his goal by improving skills all along the way while facing and overcoming many obstacles in the path of attaining success. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before he came up with the invention of the light bulb, but never ever he thought of giving up. Sivakumar has proved from his achievements that hard work and the desire to succeed are the main drivers to reach one's destination. Having finished schooling in rural Tamil Nadu, Sivakumar majored in chemistry and later went on to do B.Ed and PhD in Chennai. Inspired by his father, a teacher, Dr. Sivakumar believes in sowing the seeds for a better tomorrow. Hence, he took up teaching after working as a scientist for 15 years. He became a visiting professor in Center for Nanoscience and Technology at Anna University for nearly 10 years. Now, he is working in the Ceramic Technology Department. Sivakumar says, education is the highest form of service to humanity. Setting goal is the first step and achieving them is the second step. And it's at this second step that most of us stumble. However, with his detailed vision and planning, he never stumbled or gave up on his dreams. The scientist man has always found ways to reach his target. Sivakumar firmly believes every goal we set comes with an array of landmines. These landmines typically manifest as problems that we must figure out how to overcome. If we are able to figure out how to successfully maneuver through these landmines, that's when an improbable goal becomes a deep-rooted part of our reality. Through writing, he discovered a platform to spread his love for science by sharing research work and discoveries with students. Stories behind the pages highlight his patience and struggle he had to undergo to publish research papers. In order to encourage science-related discussion among youngsters, he started Valarum Ariviyal, a science magazine. He is the editor of the magazine. ISRO scientist Dr. Mayilsamy Annadurai, famous for the Chandrayaan expedition, is in the magazine's editorial board. The content of the magazine is structured such that news about science discussion and invention reaches even to the rural people. Over the years, Dr. E.K.T. Sivakumar, through his various social service activities, is assisting people and proactively supporting and solving their difficult situation, including even personal issues with high level of confidentiality. This has established himself as a transparent, trustworthy and reliable person. His egoless and broad-minded character, coupled with genuine kindness and respect for others, has attracted the friendship and goodwill of many personalities around the world, on which he has built, developed and continued to maintain the vast local and international network. Further, to make his vision born to serve society true, Dr. Sivakumar started a voluntary, non-profit, non-governmental organization named Educational and Social Research Organization ESRO to help poor, deprived, physically and visually challenged people. Started in 2007, nearly 1,000 students were benefited. Some of the responsibilities that ESRO has taken up are facilitating scholarship to meritorious and needy people to pursue higher education, clean water and sanitation program, civil society program at poorest areas, starting research activities on environmental pollution and mitigate consequences of natural disaster. His experience, worldwide connection with like-minded stalwarts has given life to many ambitious students and people by helping them financially and educationally. Dr. E.K.T. Sivakumar's valuable global connections include prominent educationists, educational institutions, reputed NGOs, big industrialists, country leaders and lawmakers, decision makers in public services, high-ranking dignitaries, members of royal families, high net worth individuals, individuals and corporate investors, influential personalities from media and entertainment industry, etc. With his global connectivity increasing day by day due to his active involvement in any given task, Dr. EKT Sivakumar is in strong position and capacity to make the right connection, be it within an industry, multidisciplinary or cross-functional setup. For any collaborative venture to happen seamlessly and effectively with high level of certainty and success in any continent of the world, Dr. EKT Sivakumar is the go-to person. Staying true to his inspirer, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's words, "If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun," EKT Sivakumar has crossed many barriers with sheer hard work and determination to be where he is today.